Hello friends, today I'll teach you some vocabulary words related to face and head. I'm also going to indicate their genders. So let's get started. Head in Urdu is sar, sar. Mujhe sar dard hai. You can say that. I say that sometimes. Mujhe sar dard hai. Hair is baal, baal. Little like ball, right? Baal. Another word for hair is zulfi, zulfi. That's mostly used in poetry and stuff. So baal is more common. Skull is khopri, khopri. Isn't it a funny word? Khopri, khopri. Forehead is matha, matha. The ta sound is softer, matha. Temple is kanpati, kanpati. I'm just now realizing that all these words are kind of funny. Eyebrows is bhawe, bhawe. The noon is kind of silent here, bhawe. Eyelid is papote, papote. Eyelashes, palke, palke. Eyes is aankhein, aankhein. Pupil is putli, putli. Both of them together is aankhon ki putliyan, aankhon ki putliyan. Cheeks is gal, gal. Like gallbladder. Nose is naak, naak. Nostril is nathne, nathne. Ear is kaan, kaan. Another meaning of kaan is mine. Haunt is lips, haunt. Dant, teeth, dant. Zaban, tongue, zaban. Mustache, मूछें, मूछें, मूछें. Beard, दाढ़ी, दाढ़ी. Chin, थोड़ी, थोड़ी. Neck, गर्दन, गर्दन. That is it. Subscribe if you want to see more of the content. I'll see you later. Have a good day and goodbye.